तो आज जिस बिल्डिंग का रिव्यू मैं कर रहा हूँ वो एलीट बिजनेस बे रेजिडेंस है. इट्स अ वेरी नाइस बिल्डिंग इन अ वेरी नाइस एरिया ऑफ दुबई. दिस इज बिजनेस बे एरिया. आपको यू जस्ट हैव अ फील ऑफ दिस एरिया, हैव अ लुक. So this building has 22 floors, 3 basements. Yes, P1. No, B1, B2, B3 और पार्किंग के अलग फ्लोर्स हैं. P1, P2, P3.
सर ये 3 पार्किंग है. B1 to B3
हाँ.
ग्राउंड फ्लोर में पार्किंग है.
हाँ.
3 और पार्किंग है P1 P2 पोडियम 1 पोडियम 2 पोडियम 3.
वो भी पार्किंग ही होगी.
वही पार्किंग है और ये
Okay, health club. And then after that 23 up till 23 floors. Okay, then it's a nice corridor. अभी this is not occupied, right? So as I said, the corridor is very nice. You can see the quality. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elevators. 6 elevators. With the number of floors it has, it's well enough. Okay, this is a 1 bedroom actually. It's still, as I said, it's still under handover process, so you might see some incomplete things. Very nice finishing. Everything is brand new. The building hasn't been occupied yet. We are on the first floor actually, and because of that it's a low floor, so you can, oh wow, this is having a swimming pool area. You can have a view of swimming pool here, and you can see there is an under construction building in front, but still it doesn't matter a lot. I'm sure the floors which are on top will have a much better view, but yeah, the pool view is good here. Okay, again, this developer is I like this developer. They are fond of the balconies. They have really, I mean, see the size of the balcony. This is a 1 bedroom apartment. Beautiful balcony, huge space. Okay, and this was the living area, and you will get another entrance for this balcony from the bedroom. Let's go inside again. This is the powder room. Okay, this is the washroom, attached washroom with the master bedroom, built-in wardrobe. Okay, we'll discuss about the rent of the apartment and the price of the apartment in a bit. You can see the flooring, it's all tiles. Okay, let's discuss about the details of the payment plan, the price, the rental and stuff in a bit. This concludes the tour for the one bedroom. Let's discuss further. So we had this tour of the one bedroom apartment. आपने देखा, आपको hopefully पसंद आया होगा. Now let's go into the details. So बॉस, इसकी details क्या है? मतलब अभी ये one bedroom apartment है, इसी तरह का इसमें इस building में क्या configuration है? Studio, one bedroom?
इसमें यहाँ पे studio है, one bedroom है, two bedroom और four bedroom.
Four bedroom भी है.
So we are in one bedroom right now. The size of one bedroom apartment is 934 square feet.
934 square feet. Okay.
Approximately.
Including the balcony.
Right.
Okay.
And
again, this is not occupied as of now.
no, because the building is going to be handover in 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time. Okay.
Okay, the rent for one bedroom apartment 65,000.
65,000 dirhams for one bedroom apartment.
Yeah.
Okay.
4 checks.
4 checks.
And maybe we'll get 60,000 in one check.
Okay.
Okay, and it comes with the white goods and the furniture, as you know.
Yeah, full furnished apartment and white goods are there. And again,
quality
this is
of the furniture is
very good,
Of
yes.
course, it's a brand new apartment.
yes, yes.
Amenities में swimming pool, jacuzzi, sauna, steam है.
Okay.
और
Yeah, we've seen the pool from
yeah,
here, and the
size-
parking. They will give one parking.
it comes with one parking.
Okay.
Every apartment 4 bedroom में 2 parking आप parking.
Okay.
और 2 bedroom, 1 bedroom और studio में 1 parking each है.
फोर में दो पार्किंग
दो
आएंगी.
parking है.
Okay, 4 bedroom में दो
Exactly.
पार्किंग आएंगी. Okay.
Size 934 square feet is a very decent size and a very good layout. Or as you can see, the apartment,
Feeling is very good, yes, and the area is very good actually.
Area wise, normally business space 700 square feet to start with, can go up to 1,000.
Yes.
But hard to find more than 900 square feet apartment business.
In business bay, yes.
Somewhere between 650 to 800 approximately.
Okay.
ये sizes बहुत अच्छे हैं.
Sizes अच्छे हैं.
Order room भी बहुत अच्छा decent size है. Notice आपका one bedroom का जो size of the toilet is also very good.
Yes. And okay, this is for, you've told me the 65,000 for rent in 4 checks. Annual?
It up to 60 as well, depending actually.
Okay.
Floor wise.
Hmm.
और दूसरा ये कि अगर somebody wants to buy, this apartment on the payment plan.
Okay, still it's on payment plan.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to pay 50% now
Mm-hmm.
and remaining 50% in 3 years payment.
3 years payment plan. Okay.
Price of this property is 975,000.
975,000 cash price है या ये payment plan पर है?
Payment plan पे.
Payment plan पर है.
Cash price पे भी आपको maybe 25 to 30,000 or maybe 40, depending upon actually
Okay.
the floor. तो minimum 25,000 आपको
Discount मिल जाएगा.
discount मिल जाएगा cash price पे.
Okay.
और ये 3 साल का payment plan है
Mm-hmm.
और 50%.
50% paid down payment, and then you have to pay the remaining in 3 years.
50% in 3 years.
3 years.
And the best thing in this elite business bay, इसके service charges lowest in the market.
Okay.
11 dirham per square feet है.
11 dirham per square feet. So for this one, it's coming to be around 11,000 approximately.
Normally यहाँ पे काफी ज़्यादा.
मतलब
यहाँ पे ज़्यादा होता है.
हमने वो स्टूडियो भी देखा है जिसके अंदर हमने वो स्टूडियो देखा था वहाँ पर स्पोर्ट्स सिटी के अंदर, वो तकरीबन 5,500 का था, और ये 1 bedroom है और इसकी
size 934.
या आई मीन द एरिया के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो बहुत अच्छा.
Very good actually. It's the best actually.
ओके.
Compared to और इधर Empower है जो कि आपको chiller provide करता है, जीवा है, centralized gas है.
The remaining things will be the same actually. The that we discussed in the sports city as well.
Very true.
Okay, very good. ओके सो इन ठीक है फिर अब इसका एक ओवरव्यू दे दिया था मैं अगेन एज आई सेड अर्लियर कि मैं एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा जिसके अंदर रेंटल और बाइंग के लिए जो भी प्री रिक्विजिट्स होते हैं प्लस ये कि जो उनकी कॉस्ट इन्वॉल्व होती हैं वो मैं आपको अलग से एक वीडियो बना के शेयर करता हूँ। लेकिन दिस इज़ अबाउट एलीट बिजनेस पे। इसी बिल्डिंग के अंदर आपको अगर फर्दर किसी को कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए या कोई इंटरेस्टेड है तो मैं आपको डिटेल्स बता दूंगा कि किससे कांटेक्ट करना है क्या करना है, ताकि you can always get in contact and get to the best agents in the market in order to have the best possible picture. बाकी ये कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक थैंक्स अ लॉट, कीप ऑन वॉचिंग एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल।